When you own a commercial property, you are responsible for keeping all aspects of the building safe and secure, protecting your tenants, employees, and customers from the local climate hazards.
As an award-winning team of roofing contractors, we have completed over 25,000 projects in the land of 10,000 lakes, making us the trusted choice to handle roofing services for multifamily residents, assisted living centers, and churches.
Our NMC Exteriors team holds multiple certifications and has over 20 years of experience in roofing, siding, windows, gutters, and more. The skill, passion, and commitment to superior service guarantees that your roofing project will be completed with minimal impact to your employees and residents.
The roof of your building is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable and functional facility. NMC Exteriors provides the commercial roofing services you need in Minneapolis for repairs, replacement, and more.
We offer a variety of different options, whether it be vinyl, LP Smart Side, board and batten, and shakes. They all install really easy and they're going to give you an impressive warranty as well.
Roofing projects can vary widely depending on the size of your building, what services you require, what products you choose, and more. Before you get started on your next commercial roofing project, give us a call to discuss all your options. No matter what kind of roofing services you need, NMC is here to ensure you get top-of-the-line service.
Our NMC team is your commercial roofing expert for any size facility or resident.
Call or go online today to schedule your no-obligation consultation and experience for yourself why NMC is the premier commercial remodeler in Minneapolis.